What is going on YouTube? It is your boy Scooter. We got a busy weekend, y'all. I just got through visiting my mom. I'm finna go get a haircut. Then we got to go load the car. Then we got to come clean the car up some. Then we're gonna go back and talk about body dropping the Bel Air and how I want to do it. Tomorrow we have Altered Ego truck show. We're planning on making a video with Carport Customs. It's just gonna be busy. I hope you guys enjoy the content. I got this new mic, so I'm hoping my audio quality's gotten a lot better. If you enjoy this type of content, be sure to leave a thumbs up on the video, like, share, and comment because it helps me as a smaller channel. And I hope you enjoy. Look at this, guys. Tell me I don't need a haircut. I need to cut some of this stuff off. We headed that way now, so let's see how it turns out. Whoo! Look at your boy. Got him a haircut. So we're headed to the car wash right now. We're going to clean this car up some before the show tomorrow. I'm not entering the car or anything. I just want it to look, somewhat clean while we're traveling. But I'm gonna give y'all a little hint on cleaning a car the easy way. The whole exterior. You only need one product, and that is Muscle Magic. It's like an acid-based wash. I do not recommend washing your vehicle once a week with this stuff because it does eat away at clear coat and stuff like that. But if you're only gonna like super detail your truck once or twice a year, I highly recommend it. All you do is spray it on, get a pressure washer and spray it off. That's all it is to it. And it'll make a car look brand new, or like new. All right, we got our essentials. Got a tent, got a chair, table, tablecloth, Dr. Pepper Zeros. Zeros because we're fat boys. Yeah. So now that we got a few essentials to go to the truck show in the morning, we got to go out to the shop and grab a couple more things. While we're out there at the shop, I'm gonna kind of go over a few things with the Bel Air, show y'all what I've got going on, what I've already done, and or kind of update y'all on the car. And we'll talk about the body drop for the car, and I'll kind of go over how I want to do that. Okay, so this week and last week I've been asked a bunch about this car lately. If you're new to my channel, my name's Scooter. This is a 1956 Bel Air. Me and a buddy went all the way to Donaldson, Florida from central Louisiana to pick this car up. Our plans was just to put a motor in it and kind of patch it up a little bit and drive it, but I ended up buying the other half of the car from him, and it's stripped. The whole front end's off except the hood. There's no interior other than the dash and the stuff that's connected to the dash. I've actually went ahead and pulled all the carpet. The seats are out of it. The floors really are not that bad, but we're going to body drop the car, so we're cutting all that out anyway. I'll talk about the body drop for the car here in a minute, but the guys, I'm constantly getting asked about bringing this thing to shows or doing this and doing that. I work on this thing maybe a handful of hours every week. I very seldom get to work on this thing the way that I want to. Like right now, my cutting torch, my acetylene and oxygen regulators are sent off to get repaired. I haven't gotten them back yet. It's stuff. Some things are holding me up. I need a frame table for this to do the body drop and the air ride. It's going to take a while, guys, but we're going to get it. And, it's going to take a lot of money. But, people are like, man, when this thing ever gets on the road, it is going to be sweet. And I truly know that because the patina on this car is phenomenal. But let me show y'all this interior and kind of what I have in mind for the body drop. Oh, guys, I worked last night and I'm still up at almost 3 o'clock in the evening the next day. I'm tired, but I want to update you guys. Y'all can tell I got the front and the back seats out of this thing. All the carpet's out. We got that floor exposed, right? We got some holes here and there, some rust holes, but we're going to be cutting that whole floor out. That floor is, it's coming out of there.
we're gonna take the cab mounts to the original frame rails. We're gonna chop them bad boys off. We're gonna toss them. We're gonna smooth out that original frame rail. We're gonna slide over this way to the inside of this rocker panel. We're gonna take some 1/8 sheet metal. We're gonna weld that in, box in this rocker panel all the way back. We're gonna take some 2x4 and butt it up against that 1/8, weld it up all the way back. Then we're gonna take some 2x4 this way, from that 2x4 over to the original frame rail, and just weld it all together. And if I have it pictured in my head right, we should be able to just take some flat sheet metal, because that 2x4 that's boxed into the original frame, we should be able to just take some flat sheet metal, throw it in here, weld it up, and it'd be, you know, pretty flat. Now, if I do have a little notch here where the bed floor is raised, that's fine. You know, whatever we got to work around, we're going to work around, figure it out. But I just wanted to come out here and show you, you know, you guys what I have pictured in mind to do this body drop and how I want to do it. Like I said, this car is not going to be an everyday driver for me. It's just going to be a weekend cruiser at a show or something. I'll be putting around in this thing. I mean, it's just going to have a standard 350 in it, nothing just wild or crazy. So it's not like the frame's just going to be flexing its tail off. You know, that's probably the only time the frame will flex any whatsoever, is just sitting there goofing off with the air ride or something. But, you know, guys, I don't get to work on this thing very much. I wish I had 2 weeks straight, 10 hours a day to just work on this thing. But it's going to take some time. But we're going to get it. We are going to get it. This car's sweet. I've loved working on this car. The girl that I actually bought it from, she's happy that I have it. But y'all just stay tuned. We got Altered Egos in the morning, and we're going to be going over there having a good time. We're meeting up with Carport Customs. We're going to be doing like a podcast style video. Y'all leave a like on this video. Help support a small channel. Thank y'all. See you in the morning. Good morning, guys. It's nice and early on a Saturday morning. September 30th, 2023. We're headed to Arcadia, Louisiana for Altered Ego Truck Show. I hope y'all enjoy.